What's up, guys? Yeah, so we out here freaking tearing shit up. Solo mission once again. Yeah, oh, and just fucking enjoying these view ropes. Yeah. I mean, look at that shit. Ain't gonna hit up that hill climb over there. Anyways, yeah. We out here fucking just strolling. Strolling on a Saturday morning. Trying to get some riding in. Some riding in the AM. And then head home. And get some fucking Supercross Vegas status in the PM. Hopefully Malcolm fucking takes that shit. Guy's fast on a fucking on that 250. Fast, man, and he handles fucking big boy, so he handles that bike like nothing. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I noticed if he gets out in the lead within the first lap or so, he fucking burns out though, dude. Now if he gets a shitty start, he's coming through the pack, that's mostly when he wins. Kind of crazy. I think it's all mental, man. Gets out in the lead in the beginning and he starts tripping like, oh fuck, I got the lead, I gotta hold it, I hear him coming, you know what I mean? And then he fucking, versus when he gets a shitty start, he gets a shitty start, and then he's like fucking just thinking about coming through the pack, not even tripping off, you know, anything. And I think he does a lot better like that. Let's check this one out. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the plans for today. AM riding, PM watching Supercross. Alright, here we go. Hit this motherfucker. What it's all about, dude. Being out here fucking middle of nowhere. Well, it ain't the middle of nowhere, but you catch my drift. Just enjoying the fresh air, man. It's been a stressful couple of days for me with all this freaking Mother's Day shizzle going on. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, all this Mother's Day shit, you know. No disrespect to all you guys that's moms out there, but I lost my mom a few years back. Actually, a few days before Mother's Day. So, I don't know, I don't deal with that shit good. I like to just fucking keep it inside. So, seeing all this Happy Mother's Day shit might make me a little fucking angry sometimes. I know that's not the right thing to do, or the right thing to feel. Should be fucking remembering my mom on those days, but it's just hard, man. It's just hard, you know. I ain't the fucking type of person to show my feelings. It's something that gets me sad will quickly turn around and just get me angry. My number one word is fuck it. When I'm feeling like that, I just say fuck it. So yeah, it's been stressful. A couple of stressful last couple days. It's pretty stressful. So I was like, you know, I gotta get out here. I get some fucking seat time. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing better than being on the bike. Fucking relieve your stress. Oh, we got a log. Little stress reliever. That's why they call it. That's why they call it throttle therapy. Hey, fucking lean back and twist that throttle. Everything goes away. Pretty sure all you dirt bike riders understand that feeling. Once you twist that grip, you never want to stop. At least for me, that's how I feel. Some funny shit because yeah, last weekend you might have seen on the track video at Carnegie, I went down, scraped my arm up pretty good. So went to work on Monday. Everybody just looks at me and they be shaking their head. They shake their head like, uh-oh, went down a little bit. They're like, oh, well, you crashed on your bike again. And them not knowing how it is on a fucking dirt bike. For those of us that just like to push the limit a little bit, not just fucking push your foot around, you know, just fucking ride around and cruise and shit, we tend to fall. Might be more than once in one day, might be just once in one day, might be one big ass motherfucking crash in one day and you're done. It's just all part of the game. So yeah, they all fucking there. Oh, your fucking arm is all fucked up. Oh yeah? Ain't nothing but a chicken wing. Even the boss lady's like, on Friday, trying to cut out and shit hella early so I can fucking prep the bike up, and she's like, alright Nick, have a good weekend. I was like, alright, you too. And she's like, stay What did she say? She's like, stay off the dirt. I turned around and looked at her and said, I ain't gonna stay off the dirt, but I damn well try not to hit it no more. She just fucking, she looked at me and laughed. And I was like, peace out. I got shit to do. Don't worry about what the fuck I be doing, right? Even if I come to work all beat up, hey, I'm fucking still there. I ain't fucking saying, oh, my arm got a cut, I can't work. I ain't saying that. I'm fucking working. Working to the fucking weekend. That's all it is about. Work, 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 work. Weekend. Ride. Work, 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 work. Weekend. Ride. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about. Sundays, spend time with the wifey. Gotta keep her happy. You know what I mean? Gotta take her out, shit like that. Keep her happy. Keep the bike happy. Then you're happy. You know what I mean? Wife happy, bike happy, you're happy. Ah, yeah. Love that section, man. You just fucking rhythm it, you know? Whatever. Yeah, I think I need a little air in the rear. I don't want to fucking get a flat out here, fuck up my shit, and then have to go fucking get a new tube. You know what I mean? So, gonna be heading back. Gonna be heading back to the truck. Put a little PSI in the rear. Front feels good. Oh! Fucking wheel bearings are shot in the front end, dude. Front wheel bearings are shot. The wheel's like, Nick, fucking change these bearings. Or the hub. The hub's like, Nick, change these bearings. They're fucking killing me. They keep fucking wibbling and wobbling. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Which I'll do. I gotta fucking... Soon I'll be fucking getting me a piston kit. It's about time to show some love to the YZ Ripper. And give her a new heart. New piston. And at the same time, I'll change the wheel bearings. Right on, people. I know that's probably a long ass video, but shit, I just keep riding and I enjoy it. Keep talking, so you let me know if you like long vids or short vids, because I know I'll be putting out some 20-minute motherfuckers, and I sit down and watch my own shit. I ain't tripping. Shit. So, alright, fellas, you guys have a good one. When in doubt, throttle it out.